Hey everybody, Donald with Top of Automotive, and welcome back to my channel. This video is my March 2020 toolbox tour. Stay tuned. Alrighty YouTubers, this is my Craftsman 42-inch toolbox. Gonna do my March 2020 tour update, some little things here and there that I've done and added, tools and such. Kind of arranged a little bit on my sticker display. If you have stickers, magnets, logos, you can go ahead and send them to me. I'd appreciate it. Nothing's really changed up here. It's where I keep my drink cup, tape measures, power tools, kind of moving them up here. My 1/2-inch Chicago electric is in the truck. Where I keep my lights. Currently I got 2 of them hanging on the top of the box. Charging. Battery charging, gonna clean that up a little bit. My Bluetooth speaker, jamming out the jams. I'm trying to make this, let me get up here on my stool so we can peer down into the, stay up there. First drawer, the old personalized drawer, I call it. Keep my safety gear, pens, pencils, mini pry bars, my old mag light, a scale. That's in this top one. We'll go down the right side here, sorry. And the next one, I keep the crescent wrenches, the bigger crescent wrenches, my Orbis pliers I got from MD Lee. Check his channel out. He's moving. And he will be doing a toolbox tour when he moves. Hopefully. So, crimpers and cutters. That's in the second one. Move down to the third one. That's where I have my ratchets, my teardrop Craftsmans, my 1/2-inch snap-on Harbor Freight double flex. That's the old ratchets. So moving over directly from the ratchets, that third drawer down next to them, kind of makes, you know, ratchets and sockets. Old socket drawer. See if I can put a little more light in there. Got a few miscellaneous sockets I need to, wow, that I'm getting and acquiring. I'm changing out my Pittsburgh to Craftsman sockets a little at a time. My 1/4-inch breaker bar. Everybody needs a 1/4-inch breaker bar. Blue and red Loctite. So that's the old socket drawer. Working on it here and there. 3/8 and 1/2-inch and quarters. Don't really need anything bigger than that because this is mainly what I work on, but eventually we'll move up. Put my light back up there. We'll go up to the to the next drawer. Let's see if I can't do this in one take. I ain't never done that, but we'll see. My wrench drawer and extension drawer. I have just recently got filled in some missing pieces on my metric. So I have a full set of raised Craftsman metrics all the way up to 19 millimeter. Stubby wrench set. On top is my 10 millimeter stubby I got from Hard Knocks Forge. Check Hard Knocks Forge out. He's got some good videos, as always. Good channel. Said I got extensions hanging up here. I just picked up these extensions that fit in my 1/4 inch ratchet. And what else we got in there? Yeah, that'll be it. So moving on up to the top drawer. It's where I keep drill bits, cutting fluid. That's all the bit assortments in there. Got some extractor bits and miscellaneous. And a couple shorter for the impact, the 1/4 inch impact. There's some shorter ones in there. Old penetrating oil, lubricating oil, an extra bottle of cutting fluid. My front brake tools for my blazer, caliper press, another C-clamp for a press. So that's the old top drawer, the top box. Let me step down off the stool, which is handy dandy. Got it from Harbor Freight. Tony the technician just added this to his collection for everybody's use. They have a wider step now that they're offering. So if you need a step, it's good and sturdy. I've had mine for a good bit now, so it works out good. Alrighty, so I couldn't do it in one take. We're doing this in a couple, I guess, but it's all good. So moving to the bottom box, top drawer on the left. Oh, I keep my gloves, soldering iron, some brushes. These gloves are working out good for me. I got my Craftsman gloves. Got my mechanics gloves there. You know, can I say, if I need more room, I can move these out and add more tools, hand tools, power tools, whatever it is. Moving on down. This is I got a Craftsman Master Thread Restore Kit, the 40-piece one. My Pittsburgh torque wrench, my Bossman 10 millimeter set that I made up, and drill bits. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. You know, that's yeah, that's that drawer. And this is a miscellaneous drawer that keeps my spare batteries, you know, my spare liquid. I got a spare liquid. Oh, that's penetrating oil. duct tape, zip ties. There's some sealant, extra pen, more Loctite, glues, adhesives. We got gasket makers. We got thread sealers, extra magnets. Just kind of an all-in-all drawer there for that kind of stuff. Moving on down to the get things moving drawer. You know, pickle fork, hammers. You got some new chisels, punch set, destruction screwdrivers, some miscellaneous chisels there. Need to get the stuff moving. Grab old mini Thor there and go to town. Yeah, you keep on rolling here. This is my air tool drawer slash catch-all. My 1/2" Craftsman, 3/8 Craftsman. I'm in the process of getting a 1/4" Craftsman on my wish list, coming up very shortly. And actually the air tool oil. Olympia's tool, that's just a bag to put wrenches, screwdrivers and whatnots in to head out to the salvage yard. Knee pads. I do work in the dirt sometimes, so good to have some knee pads there. This bottom drawer is really kind of empty. More room for tools. Got my gravity feed paint gun. This is where I currently got my Chicago electric grinder, all the grinder bits and pieces. I said I still have a good bit of storage, so let's move to the right side, and I need to shift. Excuse me for 1 minute. Yeah, so alright, get out my way. Ugga. Let's move my light over here down to this side. And this top of the bottom drawer is my Diag drawer. Craftsman multimeter, leads, battery tester, alternator tester. My current reader that I use, fixing to upgrade and get the MD 806 on the list for my scan tool. Battery checker, fuses, miscellaneous stuff for diagnostics. My diagnostics drawer. Moving on. This is another drawer that can be easily filled with more tools. My leftover wrenches from Pittsburgh that I'm going to change out, the Craftsman's. My trim tool set. And I got those window door remover tools. Cranks there. Okay, had to move my light. Sorry about that. Continuing on, this is the third drawer down on the top box. This is all my paperwork, owner's manuals. Got some spare towels in here and whatnot. It's just my paperwork drawer. So it can easily be moved out for more tools. I still have a lot of room in this box. So moving on into the bottom. Now I got some towels. My Chicago Electric 18-volt flashlight. I said I'm fixing to do a big upgrade on my power tools. And I'm going to go with all DeWalt. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun. I'm going to basically take my Chicago Electric and use it for the truck. Put it in the truck box. And yeah, I don't know how far we are on time, but I put that stool right in my way. That's it for now. It's all set up in my corner over there. That works out pretty good for me. And yeah, let me get the old camera turned around here and we're in this video. Yeah, how about this? Get you out there. Get you out there a little bit. Alrighty. Hope you enjoyed this March 2020 toolbox tour. I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions. As always, stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.